Why do some truck drivers prefer driving at night? Number one, there's a whole lot less traffic at night. Number two, there's a whole lot less electronic supervision from their carrier. Number three, there are a whole lot fewer cops and a lot of the scales are closed. And number four is, in today's trucking world, when truck parking is very hard to find, a driver that drives at night can finish his shift, pull into a truck stop, and easily find a parking spot to do his 10 hours off, because most of the trucks are just getting up and leaving in the morning to start their day.